Hi, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. It's fall, and everyone is back at work or at school, focusing on goals and aspirations, and working to reach targets set for year's end. IPC is no different, and we're headed back to school in many ways. We've launched Edge 2.0, our newly revised e-learning platform, with substantial upgrades and additions, providing learners with more streamlined and an easier process to follow. As part of IPC's continuing efforts to educate and inform the next generation of the benefits of a career in electronics manufacturing, we encouraged your involvement in Manufacturing Day on October 5th, a day that illustrated the very real benefits that can be had by joining our industry. We're happy to have been one of Manufacturing Day's sponsors and endorsers, and we'd love to hear from you about your Manufacturing Day experiences. This is the season also for committee meetings, and school is always in session for our hardworking committee members, where they're able to bring their expertise and critical thinking skills to continually revise, create, edit, and publish our standards, the bedrock on which IPC stands. I look forward to seeing many of you at the fall meetings in this coming October. I am a perpetual student, as many of you know, and as many of you are, and I'll continue my ongoing study of the skills gap and workforce education issues in a personal blog that I'll be posting on LinkedIn in the coming weeks. I encourage you to join me in reading, commenting, and getting social with me on these posts. Fall is a time of study and planning, but it is also a time for launching new activities. And in this regard, IPC held a successful and invigorating workshop, IPC E-Textiles 2018. An event developed by leaders from the E-Textiles supply chain who approached IPC to host a collaborative educational event for two converging industries, textiles and electronics. Because textiles, many of them are now being made with electronics embedded in them, IPC is involved in providing the standard-setting requirements for those applications. Wherever there are electronics, you'll find IPC and its electronics engineers. Another way that we've continued to provide educational input to our members is by hosting webinars on the various issues critical to our industry. Stay tuned for more information upcoming on a series of webinars on a very volatile issue, trade and tariffs. We're planning a transatlantic trade webinar later this month, along with other webinars that will assist our members in learning how best to deal with the changes that are coming to our industry. Thank you. And I look forward to continuing to make this industry a success.